I'm a content creator. I always need my light with me. Baby, like, what is you talking about?
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they past us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. In a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I go by the name of Zoe London, Zoe LDN, and welcome to my channel. I just thought I'm gonna come and do a different type of video, and today we are going to be doing what is in my Marc Jacobs tote bag. Okay, I've always wanted this bag. I thought it was really cute. So one day I was leaving work and I thought, you know what, I'm in the mood to treat myself. I'm gonna go and buy the bag that I want, and I bought this bag. This is the mini Marc Jacobs tote bag, and let's get into the video. If you haven't subscribed, guys, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, don't forget to like this video. Okay guys, so first of all, if you guys are aware, I'm currently on my Invisalign treatment, so I always carry my case and my Invisalign. If they're not in already, I will carry the case with them. I'll put them in, and then I carry the case in case I need to eat something, I need to take out my Invisalign. So I always have my case on me, always. In my bag, I also carry both of my phones. I've got my, oh, what's this? Not people messaging me now, child. I've got both of my phones. I've got my main phone, I've got my WhatsApp phone, and yeah, so I always have my two phones on me. This one is cracked. This is the ghetto. Guys, I never have phone cases, so that's why this one smashed, but okay. What else have I got in here? I'm a content creator. I always need my light with me, guys. If you guys have watched my Amazon content creator must-haves, this light, like when I need to take some pictures outside, I want to take a snap and it's dark, baby, like, what is you talking about? I'm from New York. Yeah. I've got my card holder with all my cards, so all my cards, my driver's license, and my business cards in there for Lash currency. And yeah, so this is just my YSL card holder. I love this. I think this is so gorgeous. Always have this with me. Next, you know, you always have to carry perfume to touch up, like if you're out, like, so I always have my Red Temptation and my Water Lily tea dress. Yeah, that's what it's called, Water Lily tea dress. So I always have that with me. And you know, sometimes if you just feel like I want to bring that spark back, you know, quick, and yeah, so I always carry perfume with me. Next, a comb, because sometimes the hair, it'd be acting up, it'd be acting real funny, so I always have to have a comb with me, just in case. I do actually need to buy a mini brush because I feel like a brush would be better, but for now I'm dealing with this. Next, tissue, because sometimes, yeah, like when I go outside, I've got really watery eyes and my eyes be watering and it be making my makeup run like so I always have tissue with me just in case that starts, and you know. Again, also because sometimes my nose gets runny when I'm outside, I don't know why, so tissue. I always have a mirror. This mirror is part of my case for my lashes. And I just always carry a mirror because you just always need a mirror, guys. Like, you must always have a mirror in your bag, like if you need to quickly check, like, oh my gosh, how am I looking? Like now, you see, I've got smile lines, so like if I was out, I'll go in my bag, bring up my makeup brush, which I always have, and I'll just, that's what I'll be doing outside. Yeah, so I've done 2 in 1, so the mirror and my makeup brush. Next, guys, I always carry my medication. I'm missing one, don't know why, but if you know, guys, I have IBS, so I've got my Buscopan for when the cramps start, if sometimes the diarrhea starts. So that medicine is actually not in here. I think I put it in my other bag that I used the other day. And I always carry painkillers. Sometimes the cramps are really, really bad. So this is ibuprofen and Buscopan. I always have my medication on me. Always, always, always. Even on nights out, guys, I always carry my medication. Imagine a few months ago, I went out, right? And you know when they do the bad search, the lady brought all my makeup. I was waving it in the air. I said, can you not do that? That's my medication. Like, why are you waving my medication in the air? I was so pissed off. But yeah, guys, my meds. What else? I've got my car key. Yeah, I'm always driving, so my key is always on me. So I have my car key in my bag. I did have more like things on my key, but then my friends were insulting my key, saying that it's too much. So now it's just this. It's literally my car key, my steering lock, and a picture of me and my family. That's it. I always carry lash glue with me. I'm not wearing lashes right now, but prior, when I used to be a bonding glue babe, right? Once my eyes get watery, the glue is lifting and it's sticky and it's not embarrassing. So I moved over to Duo, and now I always carry this with me for just in case. I've got PTSD from how the bonding glue did me, so I always have this with me. And yeah, so far I've never had to re-glue my lashes when I'm out. Big up Duo. Carmex, I've got the circle one and I've got the squeezy one. I blame Mary Pearl, guys. I'm actually addicted to Carmex now. Like before, right, Mary Pearl always used to put on her Carmex, like, I'm not kidding, every 4 minutes. Like, I'll look at her like, you just put, are you okay? Like, calm down. Guys, now this is me. The other day, right, I put it on within like 5 minutes. Oh my gosh, my lips are dry, and I'll do it again. I'm just thinking, this is not me. I was okay with having dry lips before. I was actually fine, but now, what, keep it moisturized, babes. I'm joking. I was never okay with having dry lips, but you know what I was trying to say. Like, it's just not as excessive as Mary Pearl, but now. My AirPods. Funny enough, right? I don't really use my AirPods, but I always have it with me just in case, like, I'm not able. Like, I always have my phone on loudspeaker. Like, I don't know, like, it's just a thing. I like my phone being on loudspeaker, but I do always carry my AirPods just in case I can't have it to my ear on speaker and I need to talk to someone quickly. So yeah, my AirPods, and I got them customized. So it says, sorry, oh yeah, it says Zoe LDM with a love heart on it. So if anyone tried to jack my case, I know it's mine. Next, I always have chewing gum. Always have chewing gum in my bags, because sometimes you need to chew. Sometimes they're like, if I haven't eaten for a long time, let's say I'm at work and I haven't eaten for a while, you know, my breath might start getting hot, like nothing's in it. Pop a chewing gum. I always have Tom Tom as well. I always have Tom Tom in my bag, because you just never know. I start feeling nauseous quite a lot, so I always carry this just to kind of look up that feeling. As an adult, I always have a pen in my bag. I don't know, like, you just might just need to sign something quickly and there's no pen, and I always have a pen. I always have a pen in my bag, so yeah. What else? Last but not least, guys, a £1 coin. You never know when you need some change. I'm joking. I don't know why I listen here, because I never ever have cash on me, have coins on me. I never. I use my card for everything. So this is just a bonus. But yeah, guys, that is currently all the things that are in my all the things that are currently in my Marc Jacobs tote bag. So obviously sometimes things will be added, some things will be deducted. Like if I was on my period, I'll have pads in here. I always have pads in my boot in my car as well. So if it's not in my bag, it's in the actual car. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. They can try and come try twice, but enough for your love, I go shoot them and die, yeah.